Hello friends, welcome to be a part of Creative Wanderers, and today we are going to discuss more about our fundamental data types and in specific our int data type or integer data type. What are integers? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on all belongs to the category of integers. They are just numbers without decimal points, right? And in mathematics, we perform a lot of operations on them, right? Like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and so on. So, just like that, in programming, we perform a lot of operations on them, on these data types. And what are data types? They are used to store values or data, and we manipulate those data. When I say manipulate, it means we perform certain actions on them and in return they give a certain result, right? Now, I can actually perform certain action or operation, right? Like 2 plus 3. Here 2 and 3 are the data types, in data types, and I perform certain operation that is addition between the two. Now it should provide some result, right? So if I run this, did you see that? We get nothing. Why is that? Because we forgot to write this print function. Till now, we have only learned this print function. And now if I run this, yay, we got this result, right? Whenever you need to display the output on this right hand side on the screen over here, as you can see, never forget to write this print function, because only then our interpreter knows that, hey, you have given me something to display, right? And then he checks it, and as soon as he sees this print function, he checks for the parentheses or the brackets. And inside that, we have provided like one data type over here, another integer data type, and then perform some sort of action, and that is addition. Now he recognizes that, oh, you have given me something to add, and then he adds the both 3 plus 2 and then prints the result, that is, displays this result. Here we get the result as 5. Now, as you can imagine, it's not only addition that we can perform over this operation. We can actually subtract and then multiply and even divide. Now if I run this, you see that? We got the result. We have added 2 plus 3 is 5 and 2 minus 3 subtracted, minus 1, multiplied and even divided. We can do another interesting thing over here, and that is if you write type and remember to put this parenthesis over here, and if you run this, did you see that? We got class int displayed over here. And I know you don't know anything about classes. We will discuss about it later because it's a bit interesting and complex too. So after the basics, we will discuss that. And did you see that? As soon as we wrote type and we run this, we got class int print over here. So this is all about int data types. In the next video, we'll look at what is float data type. Till then, stay tuned.